Okay, I just ended up recording a full video, but only to realize that this motherfucking mic was not working, and my camera was also not working well. So this is the recording of day 10, where I did not walk 10k steps. I did take bath, and let me quickly give you a brief. I did a long 11 minutes recording, which was corrupted, not a good thing. Let me give you a quick brief of what I did. So I told about what I'm building. I'm building a Chrome extension, which basically what it does is, let me take it from scratch. So I use a lot of AI LLMs, AI models like GPT, Gemini, Claude, etc. You must be using them. Everybody uses them. So there's a big problem with that. Every time you want the AI LLM to give the best results, you need to press the plus button right there and then go and enable a think mode. Think mode, what it does is that it enables the AI LLM to give the best results. Takes longer time to give the results, but it thinks longer, thinks better, and gives the best results to the user. So what I have to do is I have to manually press the button in the chat GPT or Claude or whatever like Gemini. So I have to manually press the button, then go and enable think mode. That is very unproductive and very frustrating. Whenever I write a prompt, I write like 10 to 20 prompts a day. So whenever I write a prompt, I have to manually click that button and enable think mode, which is very unproductive. So I'm building a Chrome extension that enables ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini to think at their best capacity automatically without the user having to click a certain button. So today, what I need to do is I need to add Grok also to it. Grok is not really added to a Chrome extension. I need to add Grok, although it's a very low value AI LLM because the most users will be using as GPT, Claude, and Gemini. The most users are going to use these. Grok is not going to be used, although if I can add this, this can make our extension a complete software. So this will be very good. And another thing I was telling is that a lot of days, last few days, actually last 10 days, I have not been so productive because the thing I was doing is I was just opening my laptop, performing the one task that I had in my head, and then I kept thinking, what do I do next? What do I do next? So I was sitting in front of my laptop for 7 to 8 hours, but I was not really working 7 to 8 hours. What I was doing is I was thinking, what should I do next? So I ended up working only just 2 3 hours a day. Yes, I have to confirm that. So finally, today, what I'm doing is every night I will write a to-do list for the next day, what I'm going to perform. So I've wrote the to-do list for this is day 10, so I've wrote a to-do list for day 11, what I'm going to do. So at day 11, I will do this task. Basically, I have to buy a domain. I have to make a landing page and a website for our extension. So I have to buy a domain and build a website. This will take around 2 hours for me. Then I have to set up this payment page. So I will sell my Chrome extension on subscription basis. So I need to set up a payment processor for that. Currently, I don't have PayPal, I don't have Stripe. That is very complicated for Indians. So I will use something called Dodo Payments. This is a ideally it should be the best payment processor for Indians selling extensions abroad. Basically, my main market will be US, EU, and AU. US, Australia, Europe, United Kingdom, basically all that. So I need to set up Dodo payments. Then I need to add Grok in our feature list. This is not Grok is not really yet added. So I need to add Grok. This will take around 2 hours. Then I'm going to test my product because it's not yet ready. I will launch it within a week. So I need to rigorously test this uh, product. So MVP is minimum viable product. So I need to rigorously test this, make it the best performing extension. So I can basically sell it as a product to the users That is all for day 10. I will meet you on the update of day 11. I will tell you whether I have done all of this or not. That is all, I guess. Yes, day 10 I did take bath. Later was 30 June. That is all the update. Do I need to tell anything else? Not really. Thank you so much.